If you have been following this channel for a while, then you would know that this channel is all about iOS customization. And today I have a brand new theme for you. So without any further ado, let's get started! You see, creating a new theme is not a trivial thing. I spent a lot of time doing research, trying to find the best wallpapers and with the right set of icons so I can create a unique theme for you. So if you do appreciate the effort, give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Alright, so the first step is to download the wallpaper. Heads up to the link in the description where you're gonna find the wallpaper so we can get started. So now that we are here, let's keep going with this setup, shall we? So heads up to the link in the description where you can download the iOS profile. Once you have the iOS profile installed, then all new icons will appear at your home screen. Now, the next step is to run the home screen creator. Heads up to the Shortcuts app where you can run it. In here you have to select the type of shadows that you want to create. We have shadows for the widgets and also we have shadows for the icons. Pay attention to the layout that you want to create, so you have to choose it accordingly. And in the next step, you can also stylize your wallpaper. I'm gonna create the card style, which will hide the notch, creating a very interesting layout. So the final step is to create the transparent widget, which will then complete our setup. This is our sleek green theme for the iOS. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and I see you in the next one.